Okay, so this is a little video to show you how to update your company profiles. So once you log in, you'll see a screen very similar to this, but with the relevant events branding up here and here. So what you want to do is head over to your team section here in the top right-hand corner. Okay, and then what you want to do is go down here where it says company profile. And here, this is the section where you can edit your company's profile. So you want to make sure that the name is correct, you can update the heading here, and you can fill in all the other relevant information. One thing to bear in mind is that if you're using the embedded URL, which is here, when you click onto it, you can go here and follow a link to an article telling you how to get an embedded link rather than just a normal one. Now, the other thing you can do is update your company's profile picture. So to do that, you just want to click on this button here, and then you can upload and choose a file. Do bear in mind that it needs to be either a JPEG or a PNG file, and we suggest 1000 by 1000 as the right sizing. Now, once you're happy with everything, you just want to go ahead and click the Save button, okay? And then that's your company's profile done.